Can I Touch Your Hair? Poems of Race, Mistakes, and Friendship. Irene Lantham and Charles Waters, Sean Qualls, and Selena Alco. Strands. On a random Tuesday on the bus, Dennis asks me, "Can I touch your hair?" He pats it before I can respond. "It feels like a sponge," he says. My fists clench and my face gets hot. "You need to learn to wait for an answer after asking permission," I tell him, and I pat his hair hard. "Oh, how about that? Your hair feels like a mop," I say. I keep my fists ready, but he turns away. Forgiveness. I start walking home from school. When I hear my name called, I turn around. It's him, yes, him, the one who once asked me, "Why do you always try to act like one of us?" All because I earned an A+ report card. Pushing through homework instead of playing video games, not saying "you ain't" or "you is" or "I'm doing good." "Hey man," he says, "I'm sorry for what I said to you a while back." I freeze in shock before matching his extended hand with my own. "Wow, thanks man." I say, "That means a lot. I'm curious though, what made you apologize to me?" "Well," he says, "last week a couple of African Americans asked me the same question I asked you."